So ito na yung site, di ba?
So ito yung site. From this place.
Dito sa lupang ito itatayo ang bagong House of Friendship. Ito yung bagong bahay ng mga abandoned children, ng mga street children, at saka mga mentally challenged children. Medyo malaking halaga nga talaga ang kailangan, kaya medyo natatagalan.
Kapag umulan na may nagtatampisaw, mahirap man o may kaya, maputi kayo manggig.
Okay, the House of Friendship has been here in Baloy for the past 10 years. And in 2006, the community who has been in Cagayan think of a new house. So there were people who really pledges that they will help build the house.
Here in Cagayan de Oro last year when I was assigned here, I was told by my provincial that we're going to build the House of Friendship. I went to the bishop and asked him, Bishop, what can you do? What can you do to build the House of Friendship? One of the activities the first activity that we agreed is to have this dinner for a cause with the bishop. Hopeful that we'll be able to get people who will be able to help us. So this is just the start. We're throwing the stones, to start the construction. But I'm very, very hopeful that it will be materialized.
Malakas ang paniniwala ni Sister Leonor na hindi na talaga magtatagal ay may tatayo na ang bagong House of Friendship. Tiwalang-tiwala sila sa tulong na manggagaling sa local community dito sa Cagayan de Oro City.
I believe very much on Cagayanos. I have been here for 1.5 years and I could touch, I could feel, I could see, I could experience the support of the local community. I know the generosity of the local community, but still, we beg for the help.